How to be motivated even when you're feeling lazy. If you're watching this, you may be thinking, oh, I'm lazy to read book, I'm lazy to work out, I'm lazy to study, I'm lazy to shoot a video, I'm lazy to do this. It is normal. I want you to know, as a human being, our brains are not wired to be excited every single day and motivated every single day. You may be lazy from time to time. It is okay. Here is the first tip. Don't be easy on yourself. Like a lot of people say, oh, take it easy, relax, life is to live, life is to chill. No. Be hard on yourself. You know why? Because when you do what is hard, your life will be easy. Next point. You will feel demotivated or you will feel lazy if you are doing things which you are not passionate about, things which are not aligned towards your purpose. The motivation should be from within, not from outside, listening to watching videos and all that. That is great. You can do that as well. The day when you find out why you're born, all the problems will go away.